Hi friends! Today we are working in quarry and we need to load and transport 5 batches of copper ore. To accomplish all the tasks, we need a mining excavator. Let's assemble a mining excavator and learn what parts make it up. Let's start with the main platform for the mining excavator. We attach the tracks to it. We need them to move over uneven surfaces of the quarry. Now we need to install the rotary platform. With the help of this platform, the operator can control the mining excavator. And this is a boom. Let's attach it to a rotating platform. The boom is needed for the excavator to dig at a greater distance. It consists of 2 parts. The boom is attached to the excavator using the pistons. They make it possible to move the boom and the bucket. It's a great time to attach a bucket. Now we set the dashboard for the driver and the seat. And we place everything into the cabin. So, the driver's and the operator's cab is ready, but quarry is not a safe place, so let's set the protection on top of the cab. To make the driver be able to get inside the cabin, we have to install the ladder. Now the lights, front and rear ones. The mining excavator is ready. Mining excavator is a very big machine. Just imagine, its bucket weighs as much as 30 cars. On one bucket, it is possible to place 35 sofas. It's incredible! And now, it is time to accomplish our task for today. We need to transfer 5 batches of copper ore. For this, we will need a mining excavator and the mining dump truck. Let's begin the work. These machines usually work in pairs. The first one is full. Let's fill the second one up. The actions of the excavator operator and the truck driver should be synchronous. Now the third one. They have to dump the ground at a certain moment to not to swamp the mining dump truck. And now the fourth one. Done! And the last batch is ready. Let's see whether we have done our job correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trucks are filled out with the copper ore. Hooray! We made it! Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble the mining excavator. Like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon! Bye bye!